guys, it's Ashley from Naughty Tree Reviews, and today we're here with SipSpy for January. If you're not familiar with SipSpy, this is a monthly customized tea subscription box. Every package comes with 4 teas, personalized for you. So when you sign up with SipSpy, you're going to fill out like a survey that tells them all about your flavor, yes, I said it right, flavor preferences, and then they'll send you the teas, and then from there, you can go on and review the teas and let them know what you thought, and they'll further refine it. You also, beyond the teas, you get coupon codes if you want to buy more on their webpage. So yeah, this is my January box. For me, I like floral teas. I also like a mix of caffeinated and herbal. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to SipSpy with my affiliate link so you can check them out. So you get right on top is your insert. The back tells you all about the teas. We'll look at that at the end of the video. I like to have a little bit of a mystery. Every box from SipSpy also comes with some disposable tea bags, as some of the teas you get will be loose leaf. All right, right on top, I see some cool packaging from a new to me brand. Oh, this is Cedar organic Roux tea. So Roux is caffeine free. I believe all of it is. Not sure though. But there are 4 bags. It says Cedar is owned by the Van der Westhuizen family, who grows Roux on their 5th generation family farms. The tea used for Cedar is grown in their fields at the foot of the majestic Cedarburg Mountains, where the cooler southern slopes produce uniquely flavorful and deeply colored Roux tea. So it is a red, like a red tea if you've ever seen it. So that's cool. That's one that you would have at night, obviously, or, you know, when you don't want the pick-me. All right, next up we have this from Miracle Tea, or Miracle Tree. This is Moringa, Earl Grey Moringa Organic Superfood Tea. So this is lightly caffeinated. If you're not familiar with Moringa, it is a cleansing, is that a nice way to put that? Cleansing herb. So in here you have organic Moringa leaves, dry black tea with bergamot flavors, and that's it. That's all there is. And there are 4 bags of those. So this is lightly caffeinated, which means afternoon. I would actually drink this first thing in the morning if that's what you're going for. But there's that. All right. Next up we have from Witchwood Tea House. They have sent a couple bags in SipSpy boxes. I love the wax seal. I think that's so cool. It's got like a cool dragon on it. This is their Prosperity Ritual Tea. This is, no, it's not. This is a mildly caffeinated as well. It has mint, chamomile, oat straw. That's a new ingredient to me. Green tea, bay, orange, and elderberry. That sounds really delicious. And I'm going to try it out. And this is loose leaf. It doesn't say how many, I'm guessing there's about 4 servings in here, just a guess. All right, then we have, this is from Shanty Time. I love this packaging. I feel like I've gotten something from them before, but in a different box, like a self-care box. This is a raspberry oolong fruity tea. Oolong tea with raspberry, apple pieces, cranberry bits, and hibiscus. Ooh, and I believe these are bags. Yeah, there's 4 sachets in here. You can use each twice, it says. So that's awesome. Do they have, contains caffeine. We'll look at the, we'll look at the insert now. How about that? How about that? We'll do that. All right. So first is the Prosperity from Witchwood Tea House. That's low caffeine. Like I said, that has mint, chamomile, oat straw, green tea, bay leaf, orange, and elderberry. And then we have the Shanty Time in the little tin. That is a medium caffeine. Those both of these teas have coupons on the SipSpy page. It has Tiquan Yin Oolong Tea, natural raspberry flavor, apple bits, cranberry, and hibiscus. That actually sounds really yummy. And when they put the hibiscus in, if you are not familiar, it makes the tea really bright red. It's really fun. Makes it just a pop of color, makes it just more beautiful, picturesque. All right, then the Roux tea from Cedar is caffeine free. And that just has organic Roux and a little natural flavoring. Then the Miracle Tree tea is organic Moringa. We said that. organic black tea, natural bergamot flavors, and that has medium caffeine. Every single one of these has a coupon code that's redeemable on the Sips by page if you're interested in buying more. That's something that's really cool about this subscription, is it's more a tea discovery box. They give you almost like a sampling of teas, and then you can go on and buy more if you so desire. I love that about it. So if you're interested in checking out Sips by, I will link down below to them. I will also link to my full review where you can go check that out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.